Restock of the Air Jordan 3 Reimagined White Cement. If you guys want me to do this restock video, make sure you guys smash that like button. You guys got to get this video up to 300 likes for me to drop the restock video tomorrow talking about the restocks, potential restocks of the Air Jordan 3 Reimagined White Cement for retail. Make sure you guys smash that like button. Don't buy yet. The price of this hyped Air Jordan is going to drop. It's gonna dip, in my opinion. I think you guys should wait to buy this Air Jordan. Free Air Jordan White Cement Reimagined giveaway. All you guys need to do is like this video, hit that subscribe button, join the More family, leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the Air Jordan 3 Reimagined White Cement. And DM me proof on Instagram. DannyMoore2369. Send me a screenshot, send me a picture, send me proof that you guys are subscribed to my YouTube channel. Good luck. This giveaway ends at the end of March. The winner is going to receive a free pair in their size. Please watch out for scammers. I will not be asking you guys for money. This giveaway is completely free. Please check the account. Make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of the Reimagined Air Jordan 3s. Good luck. Sneakerheads. Sole Premise makes the best sneaker bags in the world. These sneaker bags actually have compartments to store your sneakers when you're traveling. You can bring them with you each and every day. You also have room for your clothes, your laptop, your chargers, and if you're going on an extended trip, they make bigger bags to hold your sneakers as well. Every Sole Premise bag is made and designed to store your sneakers. No matter where you're going, you guys can bring a Sole Premise bag with you. They have the best sneaker bags on earth. Make sure you guys click my link down below in the description. Check out Sole Premise and use my promo code DannyMoore for 40% off your entire order. The entire website is 40% off when you use my code DannyMoore at checkout. Sole Premise bags are very high premium quality. They have a bunch of colors. They're the best sneaker bags in the world, guys. Make sure you guys check them out. Link down below. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring this fire video. Wait! Don't buy yet! I think you guys have time on this Air Jordan. This right here is possibly sneaker of the year. There's talks of sneaker of the year. Listen, in my opinion, it's way too early to even have that discussion. But I will say this. It will be, in my opinion, a contender for sneaker of the year. Easily going to be top 5 releases of the year for me personally. However, prices are high. I think the price right now, it is a little high for the Jordan 3 White Cement Reimagined. People are asking basically around $300 for this sneaker. If you guys ask me, I do think over the next week and a half, when people get pairs in from online, and I'm talking about a lot of pairs coming in from online, these are gonna drop. They're gonna drop in price. I do think their bigger sizes will remain a little bit more profitable, a little bit more expensive than the smaller sizes, but I do think prices will drop easily below that $300 price point. They definitely will sit probably around $250, $260, $270, maybe for the bigger sizes, maybe even $280. I do expect a price drop. Nothing drastic. I'm not talking about $100, they're not going down to retail, nothing like that. But I do expect a little price drop on the Reimagined Jordan 3s for now. Why for now? Well, for now, because I do expect the Jordan 3 White Cement Reimagined to go up in price. I do think they will be a long-term hold. It is not going to be a short-term. I don't think it'll be a 3-month hold or anything like that. But if you guys give it time, if you patiently wait it out, I do expect prices to go up. They're easily going to see that $350, $400 price point. But you guys got to give it time for this one here. Give it a little bit of time. If you're willing to wait it out, if you have capital, if you have patience, I think they definitely will creep up in price. But first, they have to drop in price. After this release, after all the pairs online especially, they have to drop in price. So guys, if you want my opinion, if you need a personal pair wait it out. If you're looking to invest, wait it out. I do expect them to drop over the next week and a half, 2 weeks down in price because of so many people getting pairs, especially online. Also, one thing, quality control might hurt this release a little bit for the time being because it's going to be harder to get a good pair for some people. Some people are going to be very, very particular about the pair and willing to spend a little bit more money for that good pair. So I do think quality control could have been better. It's not awful, but it is some bad on some pairs. So I will say that I do think people might shy away from them because of that a little bit, but you guys got to realize it is still the Jordan 3 white cement. 88 retro, you got Nike Air on the back. It's an OG colorway with more of an OG twist than ever before with this reimagined effect. So I do expect them to go up. And I also expect a lot of people to be wearing these, which means less dead stock pairs on the market, price goes up. But that will take time. I keep stressing it enough. These will take some time. They will go up. You guys will see prices creep up over time, but it's not going to be anything short. It is a good overall hold, in my opinion, in the long term. Short term, not so much. The Jordan 3 Reimagined is fire, straight fire. And I'm telling you guys, in my opinion, right now is not the time to pay resale. Give it a week and a half after drop. Let those prices drop and go in and cop the Air Jordan 3 Reimagined white cement. These are fire, straight fire. Please let me know down below in the comments if you guys were able to actually cop the Reimagined Jordan 3. And if you were, how many pairs did you get? Because it does seem like people that were able to cop multiple, and people that weren't able to cop really any at all. So let me know down below in the comments how many pairs you guys were able to cop. And if you did cop the Air Jordan 3 Reimagined white cement, where did you get them from? What retailer? You guys still have a chance to get yourself a pair of the Reimagined Air Jordan 3s. Make sure you guys like this video, hit that subscribe button, join the More family, leave a comment, let me know your size, and then DM me proof on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Send me a picture, send me a screenshot that you guys are subscribed to my YouTube channel. This giveaway ends at the end of March, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of the Air Jordan 3 Reimagined. I've been wearing my pair a lot lately. I have not taken them off, to be honest with you. It's my go-to. I just want to give you guys a quick little 360 of what they look like since I've been wearing them a lot, and I mean a lot. I absolutely love the Reimagined Jordan 3 white cement. This is a must cop for me. I might even have to go back and double up now. Don't buy yet. I do think the price of the Reimagined Jordan 3 will drop a little bit in the next week or two and be a very good long-term hold. Make sure you guys like this video and make sure you guys subscribe. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.